Hello students, hope you all are all fine and I welcome you back to my class. I hope everybody enjoyed the last week's cute snail paper craft. I'm sure everybody has done it also. It's a very simple. Na? So students, please finish and start sending as and when you all are finishing that very same day only. Do not pile up your work, okay? Now today's activity, again a very cute and fun loving activity. No paper, no cooking, but something different, and I'm sure all of you are really going to enjoy it. I'm not telling you what it is. You will come to know very soon. So students, what do you see over here? Some fun dough. So we will do some new activity today out of your fun dough. I'm sure all of you will have this kind of a fun dough box. Maybe not this small one. Maybe you all might be having more bigger ones also. And if you all don't have, mummies can always buy. Mummy, papas can always buy. You all can always do some lovely things out of your clay also. So what are we going to do? You all have seen the picture of the cute dinosaur now. And I have taken out the same colors, pink and green. So let's start doing that. Okay, so first thing is we all know we need to make the dough soft first, okay? So mummies, आटा गूंदने का तैयारी चालू हाँ बच्चों का. Now you can give them atas to make if they don't have clay also. Just joking, हाँ, just joking. Now you need to make a anda shape, but before you make that anda shape, take a little bit and we'll need for the eyes. We need 2 eyes for the green one, okay? Now because this is a small box, our dinosaur will come small. Let's say you all have a big box of clay, so you all can make of a big size. So you all have to make a egg shape, huh children? Little oval. Egg shapes are always oval, na? Then make it flat. It should not be round. Okay, so this is done. Yeah. Okay, now after this we will make the pink color body parts. Now first thing is you divide your pink in how many you want. So we need 1 big for the face, little smaller for the face. We need 3 for the horns over here, but we need small ones as our stomach itself is smaller. We will make a shape, students, properly afterwards. This is just for idea. This is for the face. Then we need for the tail behind a little big one. See, I need to take out from the face. Need to take out for the tail a little more, and we want 4 choto parts of legs. I think I need to remove from the tail a little bit. Once our things are distributed completely, now we will start to make the shapes. So let's make the legs first. Okay, so like this shape, little bit, okay? Yes. Stick it like this. Then again another one. Yeah, so cute. Make it flat here because it needs to stand, huh? Oh yeah, so cute, see. Okay, this is gone a little away, so we'll bring it here. Look at the picture, look at the video and do it, and after this I want you all to make any other animal of your choice. Now for the tail. Now the tail is almost like a leaf shape, students. Yeah. Okay, now for the face. Little rounded on top, pointed in the front. This is our face. Okay. Now we need the thorns on the top. Okay, so one. We need to put 3 here, huh? See students, I know you all also get bored of paper and scissor all the time. That's why I thought of the clay. Actually, I was going to make you all do Ganesha during the Ganesh festival. But we did not have the time. Your exams were coming up, so I couldn't do. Okay, so this is also done. Now we need to put the nose and the eyes and all. Two eyes we need to put, big fat eyes, because these monsters have big fat eyes. I don't know how your side is coming. My side is coming quite well because I cannot see from here your side. So I will show you my side and then rectify maybe your side. Yeah, this is also too much. See, this is my side. Okay. Yeah, my side is looking nice. Yeah. Yeah. Even this side was looking proper. Yeah. So all of it is done. Now little finishing part. Make this pointed. We know dinosaurs have these pointed, huh? Yes, and the tail also we can have it little bit tail shape. And our dinosaur is done. So you all can make any other of your choice also animal, okay? You don't need to have only dinosaur. Fine, students?